Hey y'all, welcome back to Trina Tries It. I'm Trina and we are about to try it, okay? So today's video is going to be TikTok hacks and we'll see how this works out. Come on TikTok hacks, we got this. Hopefully y'all actually like these and enjoy them. Y'all, what are we waiting on? Let's try it. Okay, let's go to the first hack.
If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move on, get the man gone. Now can I get a cook with my
Okay.
369 girls wanna drink wine. Want the man not to waste your time. The man broke, the man he a joke, so you gotta
What? Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't really understand what the purpose of this hack is. Let's go ahead and try this hack out. All right, y'all, so for the chip hack, I have my wipes here. Hopefully this is the right kind. And then I have a bag of chips. I'm not gonna eat these, so just grab a bag that somebody in your house will at least eat. And you're supposed to take this off. So let's try and peel it off. Ugh. This is... So it came off, you guys, but a lot of the sticky adhesive is still stuck on the bag. But I did get a little bit on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the chips and see if it actually works. And they say you just, oh, I'm so mad because it's not, they say you just place it on here like this. All right. Okay, so it's on here like this. Now we're supposed to open it up. Oh, mine didn't work, look. Because half of the adhesive was stuck. So I've seen plenty of people say that this hack works. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna cut into this because you're supposed to cut this out right here. And then that's how you eat the chips. But if I cut a hole right here in this part, it's gonna be a mess. I do think that if I was able to have all the adhesive on here, that it would have worked. So for Trina Tries It, that TikTok hack did not work for me. It is a thumbs down. Okay, so this next hack is an Uncrustables hack, which I used to eat these all the time growing up. We're gonna try this hack. Let's see how we gotta do it.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my son an Uncrustable. One piece of bread. Slice off the crust. Once that is complete, I kind of put a little center line so I know where to stop. First side is peanut butter, then jelly. You get the idea. Now we are going to fold it. That's that line we did. I kind of like smush it down a little bit. Then you'll just take the sides and push it with a fork. So sorry, that kind of required 2 hands. But there you go. You're welcome. Welcome to my kitchen.
Okay, I think this is gonna be a very valuable hack for us because whenever my little gets home from school, she always wants a snack and I can just grab those. Now, she did not freeze this. If it is successful, I'm gonna actually freeze them so that she can have them and you just sit them out like normal Uncrustables and let them thaw out. You guys, let's go try it. All you're gonna need is some Wonder Bread or whatever bread you like, some strawberry jelly or jam, and peanut butter. All right, so supposed to take the bread, cut the crust off of it. You get 2 little pieces. Say put a little crease there, a little crease there. On one side, you're gonna put your peanut butter. You take the jelly and you put it on the other side, like that. You just take it, fold it in half, and then you, oh no. Oh no, it's smushing out. Oh no. Oh no, this is falling apart. Let's see if I can make this one look better. That did not work. Oh, that looks a hot mess. That looks a hot mess. This hack is not Trina Tries It approved. Okay, y'all, we're gonna try it a different way. This is my husband's own little hack. He's gonna do it a little bit different than the TikTok hack. I can see.
The bread
I see you right now.
Oh. This is how, when she was filming this, I said, this is how I would have did it. But I don't even know if this is gonna work. This is purely just testing.
We're gonna find out.
To see if it's gonna work. Nah, this is how I would have did it. Got a cup. And I would have just like, I don't know if it's gonna work, so I think the bread's gonna smash down too hard. But I was just gonna go smash hard. And that's how I would have did it.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, you guys, my husband just created a hack within the hack. This is perfect. Look at that, it's perfection. So yes, if I were you, I would do it the way my husband just did it, like a hack within a hack. This is like perfect. Like you should be proud. You should be so, so proud. Yes, perfect, I suggest it. So this hack, which is just done by my husband, is definitely Trina Tries It approved. On to hack number 3. It's the Nerd Rope Candy hack. I used to eat these all the time when I was younger. Not so much so now, but I'm not against trying something new, you know? If it's supposed to be good and taste like the normal thing and I can save a little bit of coin, I'm gonna do it. Let's check the video out and then we'll see if we can do it. Ooh. Okay. That seems easy enough. So I'm gonna actually go try this out right now, and let's go try it and see if it does come out right, and let's just see if it's good too. I don't know, let's go try it. All right, you guys, now we're gonna go ahead and try to do the Nerd Rope. We've got some Haribo gummy bears and some Nerds. We're gonna melt this down, and then we're gonna coat it in these and see if we can get this to turn into a Nerd Rope. So let's try it. There's no rhyme or reason to the colors we're using. I'm just gonna do all colors. So we're gonna take this bowl, put it in the microwave. I'm gonna do a minute. Oh babe, look at this one. It's like deformed. Bye deformity. You guys are all about to be deformed. Oh no.
Oh
okay.
Wow.
So you don't want to go for too long because it boiled over on me. Okay, let's take it out of here.
That's probably hot, baby.
Ah.
Let's just do this.
Okay. A minute may have been too long. I'm gonna use some wax paper. What you're supposed to do is take your Nerds. Okay, we're gonna take our melted gummies. And they say you just, you know what I think will work? Is you put it in the refrigerator. All right, I'm gonna put this in the freezer because I feel like it'll just be better that way.
Yeah.
My husband told me to roll it, so I'm gonna roll it. All right, we're gonna let that sit. I really don't know for how long, but I will tell you that my fingers are super sticky because I melted it over. All right, you guys, it's been like 5 minutes. Oh no. Oh no. No. Let me just try it. So it's stuck on the paper, but that does not mean it's not Trina Tries It approved. I think I shouldn't have used wax paper. Or I should just have let this freeze a little bit more, which is probably what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try it. Tastes like a Nerd Roll to me. This is actually Trina Tries It approved. Okay guys, our 4th and final hack for today is gonna be cleaning off our makeup palettes. I got a bunch of makeup palettes and I'm not gonna lie, I don't even really hardly use half of them because they are disgusting. So I just like sit it to the side because of fallout. But I saw a hack that can help me clean all that up. So let's see if this actually works, you guys. I'm convinced that I can do that. So I'm gonna do the hack and see if my makeup palette comes back clean, you guys. So I have this Juvia's Place palette here and it is used to the max. I am literally embarrassed to show you what this looks like on the inside because it's nasty. But this hack is supposed to clear that up. It's all nasty looking makeup everywhere. That's fallout all over the place. So the hack says that you're supposed to take something rounded like this and a makeup wipe. So I'm gonna use a Neutrogena makeup wipe. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which one you use. So you take the makeup wipe, you put it on the bottom of this thing like that. You go like this, and they say if you take it and go around the palette like this will prevent it from going into the pots and you should be able to get it all clean without messing your makeup up. So let's see if this is true. I don't see how that's gonna work. It's not a flat surface. Okay, so technically it's working, but I am using a surface that's not really flat. It's like kind of ridged up a little bit. It's not pulling up my product though. I mean, it's taking the product off the palette, but it's not messing up my pots. So that's a good thing. So I think this hack might work. I'm gonna go try and find something with a flatter surface to see if I can get it all off so I can give this hack a fair shake since my last hack was a fail. Oh, that was too. I'm going to take this and put it around the bottom of my glass. It is a flat surface. And then I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's much better. Oh, look at the bottom of that glass. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna say that hack worked because look at my palette now. It's super clean. None of my product came out. So this one is Trina approved, you guys. This one worked. I say go for it. Just make sure you use something with a flat surface and you should be able to get your eyeshadow palettes clean. All right, you guys, I will see you guys in a minute. Peace.